Alright, what we're going to do, we are going to take the light switch. Alright, let's get started. So what I just do, I just crossed it. See, that's what I did. And then I cut the edges off. If you know what I mean, subscribe. Give it a comment. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. Alright. And I also got to show you guys one that I made. Something that I made. It's Fruit Loops. It's mashed up Fruit Loops and lotion. You've got to try that. It just smells so good. So if you know what I mean, this is the kind of tape. It ain't really clear. It's just blurry. That's all you had to do, really. Easy, simple, that's all. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Bye, see you in the next video.